Beautiful mounted views are all yours from this custom-built Craftsman-style home on 2.5 acres. The peaceful and private acreage offers plenty of room to enjoy the best in Northwest living. From the custom timber-framed entry, head inside and discover gorgeous hickory floors, a rock wall fireplace, handcrafted finishes, soaring wood beam ceilings, and an open, inviting floor plan. The gourmet kitchen features slab granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a huge pantry. Escape to the private main-level master suite, where you'll find a beautifully appointed master bath. Barn doors open to the office or flex space, plus you'll find another main floor bedroom. On the upper level, you'll find a large bonus or family room. And 2 more bedrooms, plus a third updated bath. Enjoy the warm water pet wash in the garage, or unwind and entertain on the patios. Other features include an oversized 3-car garage, ample parking for your RV, a large garden area, established fruit trees, 16 by 12-foot workshop, storage shed, and much more. A perfect home for family fun, entertaining, or connecting with nature. Yet you're less than 5 miles from downtown Sandy, 30 minutes to world-class ski resorts, and 45 minutes to Portland. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kyle Ball with Premier Property Group.